हरे
प्रभु जी
दंडवत प्रणाम. Try to come Mangalarti. Mangalarti only 40, 50 people are there. 4:30. If you come 4:30, then your day become Mangala Aarti. ठीक है? Mangala. चलो. Let us look at it. Where are we? We are in Uddhava. Yes. Where did we go? Let's see. Okay. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 So for clarity, I'll just mute everybody. Don't mind. Now we will read Krishna Lila from the mouth of Uddhava. You got it? Beautiful? In short, who is going to speak Krishna Lila? A great devotee. Who? Uddhava. You already heard him and you can understand he's such a great devotee. Now, we will read first is Vrindavan Lila, then after that Mathura Dwarka Lila. So this chapter is the Vrindavan Lila, just read some of them. The personality God of Lord Krishna being prayed to by Brahma to bring welfare to the earth was begotten by Vasudeva in the womb of his wife Devaki in the prison of king of Bhoja. Yes? Everybody agree? So let me chant the verses first. Vasudevasya devakyam jato bhojendra bandhane chikeshu bhagavan asyaha sham ajena viyachitaha. The personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna, being prayed to by Brahma to bring welfare to the earth, was begotten by Vasudeva in the womb of his wife Devaki in the prison of king of Bhoja. Okay, done. Tato nanda vrajam itaha Pitra kamsad vibhimbyata ekadasha samastatra gudhachi sabalo avasar. Thereafter his father, being afraid of Kamsa, brought him to the cow pasture of Nanda Maharaj, and there he lived for 11 years like a covered flame with his elder brother Baladeva. So 12 years Krishna was in Vrindavan. Okay, 11 years added. Parito vatsapai vatsams Charanya viharaj vibhu Yamuno pavane kujad Dvuja shankolitangripe. In his childhood, the Almighty Lord was surrounded by cowherd boys and calves, and thus he traveled on the shore of the Yamuna river, through gardens densely covered trees and filled with vibration of chirping birds. So the Krishna did various pastimes of Vrindavan. Boys and calves, and traveled on the shore of the Yamuna river. Yamuna Tira Vanachari. All the gardens were densely covered trees and filled with vibration of chirping bird. Kaumarim Dashayam Cheshtam Prekshaniyam Vrajokasam Rudaniva Hasan Mugda Malasimvavalokanaha. When the Lord displayed his activity just suitable for the childhood as visible only to the residents of Vrindavana. Sometimes you would cry and sometimes laugh, just like a child, while so doing it appeared like a lion club. So Krishna's childhood activities, he does activities like a childhood. He would cry, sometimes laugh, just like a child, and he would appear like a lion club. He'll do anything, lion club, very powerful. He could do anything at the same time. Sa eva godhanam lakshmya niketam sita go vrisham charayan anugan gopan ranadvenu athiramat. You all can also chant in the background very simple verses. While herding the very beautiful bulls, the Lord, who was the reservoir of all opulence and fortune, used to blow his flute, and thus he enlivened the faithful followers, the cowherd boys. Krishna's flute. Venum kanandam aravinda dalaya taksham. Prabhupada is quoting with Brahma Samhita. Prayuktana bhoja rajena mayinaha kamarupinaha Leelaya Vadunatam Stan Balaha Kiridan Kaniva. The great wizards were able to assume any form, were engaged by the king of Bhoja, comes out to kill Krishna. But in the course of the past, the Lord killed them as easily as a child break dolls. Now, this people had great siddhis. These people, Mayanaha, the great, all Bakasura, Agasura, they were not snakes, they were kings. But they had siddhis to take those forms. But Krishna broke them like toys. In fact, they were difficult for Devatas also to fight. But for Krishna, like toys, they were making. That's why when Krishna was killing these demons, when Devata were throwing flowers and celebrating because one demon is over, one more demon is over. They were all harassing the whole universe. Vipanana Vishapanena Nigrahaya Bhujagadipam Uthapya Paya Gavas Tatoyam Prakriti Sitam. The inhabitants of Vrindavan are perplexed with a great difficulty because certain portion of Yamuna was poisoned by the chief of the reptiles, Kaliya. The Lord chastised the snake king within the water and drove him away after coming out of the river. He caused the cows to drink the water and proved that the water was again in its natural state. That is Kaliya, you all know. Kaliya Mardana Leela. If you go to Vrindavan Parikrama, you see that place in the beginning only. I want to show to all of you, but when Krishna will sanction. Correct? That's the exact place where Krishna punished Kaliya serpent. And Krishna danced with the Kali after that. Tha, Thai. What do you see? All the Kathakali, everything Krishna enacted on the head of. He's the original dancer. Everything originates from Krishna, the original singer, the original dancer. Aya Jayat Go Sevena Goparajam Dijotamai Vittasya Chorubharasya Chikeshan Sadvyayam Vibhu. The Supreme Lord Krishna desired to utilize the opulent financial strength of Maharaj Nanda, who worshipped the cows, and also he wanted to give lesson to Indra, the king of heaven. He thus advised his father to perform worship of the go of pasturing land and the cows with the help of learned Brahmana. So Krishna taught that we should prefer to worship the Lord directly instead of worshipping Devi Devata. So therefore he stopped the Indra Puja. Even if the Indra became angry, he said, no need to pacify him. You directly worship Vishnu. And he protected the residents of Vrindavan. Actually, Devatas don't become upset. They are generally very happy when he worships Supreme Lord. And an exception, at the Indra was very puffed up. And Krishna wanted to teach him a lesson. Vashitendriya Braja Kopan Bhagnamane Ati Vihvalaha Gotra Leela Patrena Trato Bhadro Anugrahanata. The sober Vidura, King Indra, his honor having been insulted, poured water incessantly on Vrindavan. That the inhabitants of Raja, the land of cows, were greatly distressed. But the compassionate Lord Krishna saved them from danger with his pastime umbrella, the Govardhana hill. Okay? Sober Vidura inserted, poured water incessantly on Vrindavan, and thus the inhabitants of Raja were greatly distressed. They put water on Vrindavan. You know, this much damage even the Danavas did not do. But still, Krishna did not kill him because the devotee dealt carefully. Sharachasi karai mrishtam manayan rajani mukam gayan kala padam reme strina mandala mandanaha. In the third season of the year, the Lord enjoyed the central beauty of the assembly of women by attracting them with his pleasing song in the autumn night, brightened by the moonshine. And before leaving Vrindavan, Krishna enacted the Rasa Leela dance. So this is now Vrindavan Leela he has talked about today. Tomorrow we will go to Mathura Leela. Okay? Hare Krishna, Krishna Leela from the mouth of Uddhava. Hare Krishna. So my request, now 200 people, why don't you come for Mangal Aarti, 4:30? What is the difficulty? Sleep early, get up early, take bath and join. Okay? I request everybody come and join. Mostly people are joining, but only 40-50. Rest are sleeping. Mangala means your day becomes auspicious after seeing it. Okay? So nice, we saw Uddhava Leela. So you see Mangala Aarti, chant for some time till 5:45. You get, I think, half an hour for chanting. and then after that, you hear Krishna Katha. And I'm going to continue chanting. Those who want can chant with me. Okay? Let the temple thing be still on. I'll tell them to switch on the chanting. Okay. Hare Krishna. Because everybody will go for, other devotees will go for, they have already gone for taking class. Some of the people have gone to kitchen. Some have gone to altar.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Nam Nam, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Nam Nam, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram Nam Nam, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Nam Nam, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Nam Nam, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Nam Nam, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Nam Nam, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Ram Nam Nam, Hare Hare, Ram Nam Nam, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Ram Nam Nam, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram Nam Nam, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram Nam Nam, Hare Ram Nam Nam, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Ram Nam Nam,
Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna